the life of Aaron and Stephen. I don't know where he is. It's a bit early for him. He's probably still sleeping. I don't know how to do these vlogs. Don't want to be boring, but I also don't want to film everything because I feel like that's boring. But right now, we're going to my dad's and we're gonna work out while we're waiting on Stephen kind of waking up for the day. And then hopefully by the time we're home, the play button will be arrived and we can open it, which I'm so excited. I've been waiting for the past 6 years to get one of these. The silver one felt amazing and this is 10 times more massive gold button. Thank you guys. Let's go pick up my brother. I haven't even done a double back in about 6 months. But you're gonna do one now, right? Oh yeah. Little bit's ready. Quick little tour of my dad's house.
Cheeky little pinkers.
That's where I record all the voiceovers.
This golf club has been my savior.
Okay.
Trying to get it to stop in the fairway. Wow.
Uh-oh.
Bye.
Stephen.
Bitch.
I've not filmed all that much today, but this has been exhausting. I am so tired. But hi, Stephen. I've been making YouTube videos for the past 6 years. I've spent all of my adult life making YouTube videos and trying to be a YouTuber and just trying to make that my career. And I've wanted one of these since the beginning. It's been the dream. It's the main thing I've wanted since I left school. Hitting the 1 million subscribers felt amazing, but actually receiving this in the mail, I've not even opened it yet. But to get this is the best feeling, and I want to thank you guys for giving me it, basically. Thank you. Right, let's open it and then we'll feed Stephen. That's the dream. It's so big, it's so much bigger than the 100,000. Oh. If you took one step for every subscriber you have, do you know how far you would get? It's over 13 times the perimeter of Beijing, or 14 times around Paris, or 15 times around New York. That's because you now have over 1 million subscribers. To honor your remarkable achievement, we are proud to present you with the Gold Creator Award. We hope that will inspire you and remind you how much you mean to so many. Thank you, Susan. I don't know why I did that. It's so big. They spelled the name wrong. They did Stephen with a PH. I'm just kidding. Oh my god. Oh no. I kind of scratched my lens. Oh, why did I make a joke? That wasn't even funny. It is spelled correctly. This is so cool. Genuinely, every single one of you changed my life. Steven, you look lovely.
We.
Come hither.
Right, for Steven's tea tonight, we've got him some tuna and a little banana. But you've got to sit. You know the rule. Good boy. Ready? Ready for you? Sit. Are you ready? Right. Hey, sit. Don't advance on me. Don't advance on me. Right, Steven, back up. Hey, 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 hey. There you go. Oh, that was thick. You demolished it, Steven. That was so quick. Well done. Such a good lad. Steven, I'm just giving you a drink. Back up. Steven, thank you so much for everything you've done. Steven, he's already back.
We. Woo.
Where's he going? Anyway guys, that's all there's gonna be for this video. Steven. He's back. Yo, sorry if it was not like the usual sort of video that you guys are used to seeing on this channel, if you didn't like it. But if you did like it, let me know. And if you did like it, let me know if I should post it on here or on the other channel. Or on what used to be my main channel, like my old channel before Steven, the Aaron Skelly channel. I've got too many channels. I should probably just post it on here, but just not too often. I'm gonna go. Thank you for the button. Thank you for a million. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys soon for another video. Goodbye.
See ya, bitch.